Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the DraftKings Sportsbook app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the DraftKings Sportsbook app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy steps. So at here, you have to press and hold at here. Just click that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So when you will just go here, you have to go to the storage section. Just click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. If it's work, then fine. If it does not work, just check for an update. Go to the Google search bar and search for the Draft King app. Just download the latest version of this app and it will work. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.